everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today we are going to unbox my favorite monthly subscription box. It is a Disney subscription box instead of a craft one this time. Magic at Your Door. This is Dude, and he is dressed as the Lion King Rafiki. There's a reason for this, and we'll see it on the inside. But there is an item in here that is Lion King themed that is said to be amazing. So without further ado, let's take a look. First up is the Magic at Your Door flyer. There is a price chart on this side. A lot of things at Disney are color coded, so they keep this color coding up to date for us. There's also a very important Magic Disney subscription box update. They are actually changing their subscription box model for the better, and it just tells you all about it, and that you need to subscribe. I don't know. It says one of the updates may affect your September Magic Box. This one is that while we continue packing all shipments to 100% plus in value, they're removing the 5-item per box minimum. But that's just so that they can add more expensive things and not have to give you like super cheap items on the inside as well. They can just send you some super cool expensive things. And not have to worry about the 5-item minimum. The price is also going up, but the quality is also going up, and they also get a lot of super cool purses, items, super cool exclusive items too. So it's a very nice. I have not upgraded yet. To be honest, I will probably not upgrade until the very last minute because... and only because I am going to Disney World in November, as well as Hawaii. We're going to Aulani in May. So I'm trying to keep myself on budget for that. And unfortunately, the update would kick me out of the budget. So although I want to keep continuing, I'm not sure if I will or not. So let me know below if you think I should, if you like watching these videos. If you think I should continue past the deadline, which I believe is May anyways, where I would have to choose to either unsubscribe or subscribe to their new model. I could also subscribe and then like skip every other month, so I might do that as well. Anyways, that doesn't mean anything. Subscription, this box is $99 right now. I don't think they sell it anymore. It'll be $129, I believe, going forward. You do get what you pay for and more. So I've never been disappointed with Magic at Your Door. So if you're interested, definitely take a look. Magic at Your Door. And they also have a Facebook page, and they have a trading page. If you get stuff you don't want, you can trade. I've put stuff up there. I've never actually traded anything. I've put stuff up for trade, but I've never really found a person that is interested. So I do have a couple things that I'd want to get rid of, but honestly, you can't go wrong with Disney items. So super excited. The very first thing I see in here, this is a Walt Disney stationery set. Super cool. Let's see with the glare. I don't know. I'll go turn that light off. You can see the box is beautiful. There we go. I'm going to open it up and show you what's inside. On their Facebook, they do post things whenever they have a surplus or whenever they just want to see, well, who's interested in something like this. And this was one of them. They had this book posted, and I saw somebody get it months ago, and I absolutely loved it. So I did ask, I did request it. So it is a magnetic book that is going to look amazing on my bookshelf. And And then on the inside is Walt Disney Archives collection. And then there are stickers I will honestly probably never use because I think they're amazing. And then there are cards. So there, I believe, is 2 of each of 10 designs, and they're silver foil, and they are beautiful. There's nothing on the inside, which is great. And then there is actually, it tells you what it is on the back, so that is super nice. Here's Walt drawing Bambi. And it tells you when it was published on the back. Here's Dino Land, America Needs Outdoor Recreation. Act now. It's too late to read. Audio animatronic Brontosaurus for television show Disneyland Goes to the World's Fair. Can't talk today. Super excited to get this. There's him at Disneyland. There's him with a bunch of little characters that he drew. Very cool. There's the map of Walt Disney World when they were planning it. It does say Disneyland Park. Yep, the castle looked a little bit like Walt Disney World from behind, but this is actually a map of Disneyland Park. A French certificate commemorating the 7th birthday of Mickey Mouse. Very nice. Early 1930s publicity photo of Walt Disney. At the Buena Vista Gate of the Disney Studios in 1946. Publicity photo with props from 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. My goodness, I can't talk or read today. And then envelopes, 20 of them. And there you go. And this is an amazing book to keep on a bookshelf, keep little keepsakes in, keep these cards in. So there you go. And this retails for $25. Beautiful book. Got all the fun confetti. Ooh, my ears got smushed. These are the new Frozen ears. Very pretty color. The famous silverback. Looks like I still got 5 items. Oh, love it. This is one of the patched. It's a new collection at Disney, and it is the up patch, and it is absolutely adorable. It will look amazing on the front of one of my scrapbook or journal pages, journal books. The piece de resistance, of Lion Kingdomness is right here in this beautiful box. I'm super excited. Do you want to take a guess what's inside? You already know it's Disney Showcase Collection. Take a guess, put it in the comments below. I'll give you a second. Okay, let's see. See if anyone guessed right. Let me get the knife. That is perfect, Mr. Magic. have Rafiki holding Simba on the rock. How cool is that? It's one of those wooden pieces by Jim Shore. It is beautiful. Beautiful. And if you notice, dude as Rafiki, how perfect is that? Great job, Magic at Your Door. Let's open that pouch. Get the price for this little cute. $50. So $50 for The Lion King. $25 for the book. I want to say $27. No price on here, but I believe they're $27.99 at the Perks. So that is already $100 right here, not including these two things. Paid $99. So this patch is $9.99. And let's see what's inside here. Other than a lot of confetti. Had to check. Oh, yay! Thank you. I'm so excited. This was also on their Facebook page. And I don't know, it's just a magnet, but it is the most beautiful, amazing magnet I have ever seen. I love, love, love this. It's just a magnet. It is red. And of course, I threw the paperwork. Oh. And red is $9.99. So this is well over $120 value. So thank you so much, Magic at Your Door. Love the box. Loved the gold pouch. Everything about it. I feel like this is the perfect one. This is probably the best ever. Thank you. And thanks for watching my YouTube. Let me know if you think I should continue doing these types of videos down in the comments below. Definitely let me know if I should continue past May when the price does go up. Again, like I said, the quality will go up as well, but there's no lacking quality here. But let me know if you want to continue watching them. And then I'll go from there. And thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't already. I am doing a subscriber giveaway shortly, in about a week. So definitely check that out and hit like if you like this. Thanks again. Bye.